Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today I am very excited to be walking around this gorgeous vehicle today. We're going to touch all aspects of the vehicle, but we're going to start right away up front. We're then going to take a look down the passenger side here where we're going to take a look at the wheels and of course the tires. Then inside, just taking a quick look at the interior to show you the condition. There's no rips or tears on any of the seats. As you can see, they're all in great shape. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the back end here, just to show you how much storage space you do have. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. We're going to take a look inside now just to kind of give you a look at all the different features that you're looking at on the inside as soon as you sit in. We're going to kind of take a look at the steering wheel here as well. And then a look at the center console to show you the stereo and climate controls that you can expect to see. We shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you have a chance to see the exact condition of the vehicle before you stop in. Just kind of gives you a little bit of a preview so that you know exactly what to expect when you come in to take your test drive.